Okay, so I'm going to install this unit in my property. This is the AV2000 TP link, and basically working from the garage. We don't have good internet. My current internet is around 100 megabits, I think. Varies between 60 and 70. But when going through the Wi-Fi, it drops down to 50 megabits. So what I'm going to do is run a cable using the power line adapter from where the internet is to the garage, and let's see how it will go. So in this video I'll show you the unboxing and setting up of it. Should be straightforward, and this is the highest one I can find, 2 gigabits, and hopefully it will do the job. Wi-Fi is good, but it's just never reliable, you know. You just can't get a solid connection. So you got 2 RJ45 cables, and that's pretty much it. And 2 of these units, very light. I heard people complain that they're very heavy. Absolutely not, very light. I wonder what's inside these. I don't mind opening up one, but I just don't want to void the warranty. What do you say? You open it up anyway? Okay, so that's the model there, AV2000. You know what? I'm tempted to open it up. Okay, let's see how much electronics is in there. This wasn't part of the video. As far as I'm aware, you can add more of these in your network as you need. And what I like to do generally is attach a Wi-Fi extender or a router on the other end of these to give a new Wi-Fi or same Wi-Fi name as before. So while you're walking around the property, you're always connected. Okay, so 4 screws removed. Let's have a look. There is no screw there. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it's got a Broadcom network controller. That's another Broadcom there. Alright. Yep. AC to DC transformer. So that connects through. So this is a AC pass-through, which is nice, so you don't lose your AC connection. Okay, quite simple. Should be easy to set up. Alright, cool. Let's give it a go. Aishi brand capacitor. And this is the heatsink. So the heavy component is the heatsink. And that actually goes over the Broadcom chip there. Okay. Let's put this guy back. Okay, has to be nice and straight. So this does rotate a little bit. Get it right, straight. Bummer. Let's put that guy back there. Sit. Okay, there we go. Nice. No warranty void if you haven't been here at all. Well, this video is the evidence, isn't it? Okay. Well, hopefully they don't see it. So there's no 1 or 2 for these units. I suspect they both are pretty much the same. So the way I normally set up mine, every house is different of course, so just set up here, connect both of them and let them find each other, and so we can see the LED indicators on the side, as you can see there. There we go. So we're just waiting for both of them. So importantly, you want the Of course, the first two lights to be solid, so the middle one is meaning they found each other, they're talking to each other. That's solid, and you're ready to go. Of course, the power is power, you got power, and the third light will only come on or blink when there is a cable connection on the other end. So this is pretty much set up. So let's give it a go. So what we're going to do, I'll show you a speed test of the Wi-Fi connection first, and then I'll do a speed test with this plugged in, and let's see what difference it made to my connection. Okay, so what I've got here now is the computer on the Wi-Fi connection, and I'm going to do a speed test. I'm going through a ASUS repeater, and let's see what we get. Not bad, 56 megabits per second. This is on the Wi-Fi, and I haven't plugged in the TP link yet. Yeah, that's correct, I get about 5 megabits upload. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and plug in the cables and see what happens. So here you can see it is paired up. This is on the other side. Okay, I've got it all set up now, and we're on the cable connection, and we're going to run the speed test again. And that is much lower than before. Wow. So the ASUS Wi-Fi repeater did a better job than this guy. Now, it could be because I have paired it in the same power adapter, power extender here. So I'm going to do a pairing on them again from their new connection position. So I've connected them into two different locations after setting it up here. So what I'm going to do is press the pair button on each one and let them pair again, and then I'm going to do another test. Okay, so this is one of the units we're going to pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here we go. That's in pairing mode. Let's go to the other one. Okay, we've done the pairing again. Let's do another test. Yep, that is horrible. Okay, this is not suitable for my environment. Although they do work, 2 gigabits is a joke. I can't even get a, over, looking at that 14 megabits. Okay. Alright, time to return its product, and maybe hopefully another product will help us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.